Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So it's literally 3 AM, so that's why we're showing. So we're gonna show you proof, but we already showed you right there. So we were gonna do like a challenge, but instead of like bedroom, but there's a massive spider that we can't even stay. Look at that. It's gonna be. No. So guys, we are gonna do the challenge of last to sleep once. Today. Also, this is going to be a fun activity today.
Okay guys, we have to switch room, so grab one animal.
So guys, we're going to get one stuffed animal that we got as squishmallows. Guys, let's go right now.
Guys, we're going right now. We're going right now. Then the spider go in our face.
First of all, the phone checks. Check.
Look at my
The
phone case.
squishmallows.
Look at my
check.
phone case, guys.
Check.
I think I'm out.
And all the people check. Now, let's go and travel. Run. Guys, literally, my mom, my dad, and my big sister is sleeping, so we need to be so quiet.
When you put it out, that's important.
Well, are you kidding me on it? Because I saw.
Okay, let's see if I can open it. Oh my gosh.
Right, here's our spot.
Nori, why did you choose this spot?
Because this is how this thing works.
Oh. Oh.
We can put it under the ice. As we can just pour it, as we can turn off that.
Oh, okay. Mahan, why did you choose this spot?
Because it's like nice and comfy. It even has these. Don't panic. We have a solution. We located. Guys, all we are gonna get the blankets. Right feet.
Nori.
Wait, how can I get out?
The gym bubbles.
So, guys, if we like get like caught by our like mom or her dad and our big sister, then we need to put our phones down straight away and go to bed.
No, work time. Good job. No black snap.
Nori.
Today we could do a code. We could play Roblox. But we go into Roblox. Today we're going to do a Roblox time.
We are gonna play a horror game in Roblox, and it's a Roblox time, but no screaming. That's the rule.
Hi guys, this is a short horror game for boys, yeah. Goody Massey, guys. We chose dollhouse. We chose dollhouse.
Guys, we're here. What the hell? Don't touch me. Guys, I'm scared. Yeah, can you turn? Don't turn your back on them. Mama. Mama, why did I do that? Stop showing me. Mama. Okay, Rudy, stay right here. I'm staying.
Okay, we found key. Okay, we're going here to check there's something in your not. Look at that scaredy girl. What's dead? Was she okay or something? What's your face? They call bum cheek. Yeah. Guys, you might run down. Here. Go and find.
Guys, go. I'm too scared for that. And we heard like real life noises, and I was so scared. Guys, we can't add the noises to our video because it's too scary, and all of these videos are for kids. Guys, so whoever falls asleep, they get a big punishment. Guys, come here. So it's awful snooty. Guys, like, I know, like, she's gonna fall asleep first. Like, look at her, the state of her body. I go into jail. Look at the ugly face. She's wearing like eyes, and she's wearing like a zippy eyes. Oh, when you watch my challenge, my rules. Come here. She's so pretty, stupid, greedy pig.
Oh.
You brush your teeth because it's so stinky. You brush that ugly hair. Look at this thing for look at she's doing. She's causing me. And I don't know what she called. She looks like a fat pig. You call a roast battle than a roast battle. What's a roast battle? So, you need to fix your bonnet, mate. Look at this. And even, what is this? And like a oh my gosh, what is this? You are like a trash that no one likes. And fix your eyebrows. I don't know why they're going. I don't know why they're going like. Bro, if I see like an idiot, bro, and 6, 7. Your eyes? You need to fix them by your left, and you need to rub it out with your lips. And look at that face. And you need to fix that attitude like your ugly hair. Like your stomach is like so rumbling. And can you actually stop? Because my big fat belly is showing up to your phone. So like, mate, you need to get plastic surgery because You need to fix that. Jen. Guys, I always go to Tesco and I always get my triple chocolate truffle, and I remember she's triple chopped. Okay, I don't care about your bonnet, but I know. Like, I got hair too. Cover that nest up back with your bonnet. Dummy. Okay, now it's my turn. Okay, you need to fix you like blah 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 on my face because look at that socks. Look, those foot nails. You need to cut them off. Don't go long like your eyebrows. Which way? Like you need to go fix your like whole head. You need to fix your whole head, like lips, like that. Sticky, and I go get the salty, and I'm sticking in your bum. Like a like a shit. You need to show that big mouth, like always laughing at my stuff, and you need to stop sticking your tongue out my face when I'm praying. Allah. So like number babies is playing like moths. Then you just stick your tongue out Allah. So like yeah, no, like you need to fix those shoes and those nails. Look at that.
Guys, a nudie one.
Guys, it's officially video. 46.
Wait, what?
Guys, so we're gonna have our I don't know, whatever it's called, and we're gonna have our break. Bye.
Bro.
Dad, I want to challenge Mom went to sleep. Guys, like. I draw no face.
Hi guys, it's morning, so I lost that night, and then now I need to face my bad punishment.